Let's go ahead and install McAfee from the CenturyLink website. First of all, we are going to CenturyLink.com, not CenturyLink.net, and there it is. And we're going to use the same account that we pay the bills, CenturyLink.com. Here it is. Sign in. My login information is already there, so I'm just going to click sign in. And here we are. Now, all I have to do is I'm going to click on services. I'm going to scroll down all the way down until I see download McAfee security. I'm going to click download, and I'm going to read the agreement, and I'm going to download it to my download folder. As you can see, it is here, and now what I have to do is click save. It's already downloaded, and now I'm going to install it. It will take a few seconds. Restart your device so we can finish removing your McAfee software and installation and install a new protection. I actually installed it, and for the purpose of this video, I'm just re-downloading it and reinstalling it. Okay, so now we're going to install it. So I'm just going to click install. In this case, because I already installed McAfee and I uninstalled it, it looks like there was something left behind, even though I thought I removed it. But McAfee found it and removed that, and now I'm completing the installation after restarting the computer. Installation is complete. I click on it, and here it is. Thank you. Oh, thanks for adding us. You are protected with CenturyLink Security by McAfee on this PC.